Recently at Parts Avatar, our main guy Alex went on vacation. While there, he got to see some cool builds, build an engine, and see some really cool car shows. This is Alex's Adventures in Poland.
Feeling like I'm second best, someone that you could forget.
I decided to do a little impromptu interview with Matty here. Give us a little introduction. Say hi.
Hey.
He owns this Fiat 126, or as we like to call Maluch, here in Canada. And it's actually quite modified and it's pretty cool.
Fiat 126, year production 95. This is static suspension. Wheels small, 30 each. Reconstruction, all body, all car, all engine interior was changed. I made something like Volkswagen interior, seats and this side, Momo steering wheel, seatbelt slide, and I think this looking good. Engine was changed. This is look like a series, but this is modified. I think in series have 24 horsepower, amazing horsepower, and now have 35, something like this, and this is crazy speed car.
So it is a pretty cool little car, and it's crazy how tiny these are.